Have you been wondering how much YouTube actually paid per views or how much 100,000 views could amount into? Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you an insight of a video I had over 100,000 views and how much YouTube actually paid. So guys, we'll be heading straight to my computer now. So I'll be showing you how much YouTube actually paid for 100,000 views. So this is it guys. I have these three videos here. On this video, I have about 101,000 views. On this video, I have about 114,000 views. And on this video, I have about 411,000 views. So with my count, we'll be going for the video that had about 101,407 views. So we'll be clicking on the analytics of the video just like so. So guys, as you can see on the overview, this video has had 101,406 views since it was published. So if you look closely guys, this video has accumulated over 5,000 watch hour and about 1,800 subscribers. Let's check the reach of this video. On the reach of this video had an impression of about 1.2 million impressions. That's crazy. Remember guys, you can't get views without impression, and that is why I have made a video to explain to you how you could level up your game in order to get impression which could lead to views. So you could check out my channel and watch the video where I talk about YouTube impression for recommendation. So guys, the click-through rate on this video is about 6%, which is actually in the nice side. So we'll go to the engagement of this video, and on the engagement tab, as you can see, just as earlier, this video had over 5,000 watch hour, and as you can see, if we move down, as you can see, the engagement of this video is quite good. As you can see, about 30 seconds into this video, I still retain over half of the audience of this video, and towards the end I still have about 27%, which is actually a good one for a video of over 9 minutes. This is actually interesting. So let's go to the audience of this video. Why I'm showing you this is just to show you what can actually impact how much you earn on YouTube to make it either higher or lower. That is why we are checking out the audience of this video. So looking from the audience of this video is actually talking about pi, and that is the price of pi. And as you can see, we have the top geographies to be Nigeria. That is number 1 on our list. It's Nigeria, which is about 27.9%. We have that of India, about 20%. And there comes in the United States, that is number 3, about 6.4%. And others follows. This can actually have a great impact on how much you make on YouTube. I've explained all of those in my channel. So guys, let's go to the revenue of this video. So as you can see guys, this video has made over $226. Yes, so let's see a breakdown of this video. So as you can see on the revenue per 1K views, that's the RPM of this video. For every 1,000 views you get from this video, YouTube actually pays about $2.24. So if you multiply $2.24 by 101, it will be giving you the revenue of this video, which is $226.90. So guys, that is what this video has been able to accumulate so far. If you want to see how much YouTube pays for about 50 views, 100 views, 200 views, 300 views, I have made all of those videos in this my channel, which is Gideon's Academy. Do well to check on the link of this channel in the description of this video. Visit the channel and see the breakdown of how much YouTube pay for videos that are less than 1,000 or even less than 100. I've given you all those videos there just to encourage you. And if you're new to YouTube and you want to start making content and you're confused about how the whole process goes, or you're looking for strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel, you could join my creators forum where I teach basically YouTube growth. You could ask any question there, and if there's any confusing thing about YouTube, you could drop it there and I'll be readily available to respond and give feedbacks accordingly. And don't forget guys, if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an interesting content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.